Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional cartoon style sunrise animation using V3 and ChatGPT step by step. Whether you are an animator, a YouTuber, or just love creative AI projects, this tutorial will help you bring your morning scenes to life. So before start, you'll need two tools: ChatGPT to generate your script or animation prompt, V3, the Google's powerful AI video generator for creating cinematic animations. That's it, no drawing or video editing skills needed. So let's begin in ChatGPT. You can type this prompt: create a detailed animation scene description for a cartoon sunrise in a peaceful valley with glowing light, birds flying, and soft morning music. Hit on submit, and ChatGPT will generate a vivid scene description. You can refine it, for example, add soft shadows to the hand-drawn style or warm pastel tones, depending on your art style. And after it's done in here, you can move to VO3. And in here, go to the generate media. So go to the Google AI Studio, tap on generate media, and go to the video options. Now just describe the video that you want to create. So for me, I'm going to use this prompt: a 2D cartoon sunrise over green hills. The sun slowly rises as light spread across the sky. Birds fly gently across the frame. Cinematic animation in warm colors. So just tap on run and let VO create the full animated scene for you. So here is the result. So once the animations is ready, you can enhance it with background music and text overlay, and use gentle ambient tunes for a calm sunrise effect. And after that, you can just export your animation in 1080p or 4K resolution for YouTube Reels or Shorts. And there you have it, your own AI generated cartoon sunrise animation created completely with ChatGPT and VO. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on a thanks. Thank you for watching and keep creating with AI. Bye!